What did you think about Elon Musk's idea about nuking the poles of Mars in order to make it warmer?
Yeah, so some of these are kind of pie in the sky ideas,
Right.
but let's get to what he's trying to get at.
Yeah.
What you want to do is you want to introduce warmth, you want to block the ozone, you want to block the ultraviolet so that you can protect organic life. All right, so we have an ozone layer, it's the 3 oxygen atoms, O3, and ozone likes ultraviolet light. So ultraviolet light comes from the sun and gets eaten by ozone. Gets eaten. And when you do that, the ultraviolet light doesn't make it to Earth's surface. So even though they say, oh, wear sunscreen and sunblock 45, yes, that's for the 1% of the ultraviolet that gets through the atmosphere. If you're above the atmosphere, you are fried. You freeze the top surface of the lake. Well, how about the water below it? It's insulated from the dropping air temperature, and the fish don't die. Imagine if ice were denser than water. What would happen? You'd freeze the top layer, it would sink. The bottom is frozen. Freeze the next layer, it sinks, and fish would be systematically forced to swim in shallower and shallower waters until they were all freeze-dried on the top surface of the lake. And all fishes would be dead every winter in every lake.
I think it's fish.
What?
I think you're supposed to say fishes.
Fishes is a double plural.
You could do that?
Yeah. You never
all
heard
fish
fishes?
would be dead?
You never
like
heard?
all deer? Would you say all deers?
Well, because generally it's one. If you had multiple kinds of deer, yeah.
Oh, so if you had like Sitka deer,
Yeah, but
and
it's rare that they're all in the same place. You generally have one kind of deer in one
okay.
place. But if the ocean has many kind of fish in the same place.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's interesting. So you would say fishes.